Passive income is a powerful wealth-building tool that allows you to earn money even while you're not actively working. It provides financial freedom, flexibility, and the opportunity to build wealth over time. In this video, we will explore various strategies and methods to generate passive income streams and create a path towards financial independence. From investing in rental properties and dividend stocks to creating digital products and building an online business, we will delve into different avenues for generating passive income. By understanding these strategies and taking action, you can unlock the potential to build sustainable wealth and achieve your financial goals. Rental properties. Investing in real estate is a popular way to generate passive income. Purchase properties and rent them out to tenants to earn rental income. Conduct thorough market research, analyze potential returns, and consider factors such as location, property management, and cash flow. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income and offer potential tax advantages. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks allows you to earn passive income through regular dividend payments. Research and select established companies with a history of consistent dividend payouts. Dividend stocks offer the potential for capital appreciation and passive income, making them an attractive option for long-term wealth building. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms enable you to lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your investment. Conduct due diligence, assess the borrower's creditworthiness, and diversify your investments to mitigate risks. P2P lending can provide a passive income stream and an opportunity to support borrowers in need. Create digital products. In the digital age, creating and selling digital products is an excellent way to generate passive income. Develop ebooks, online courses, software, or other digital products in your area of expertise. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly, allowing you to earn passive income from each sale. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Build a website, blog, or social media presence to share valuable content and recommend relevant products to your audience. Affiliate marketing can provide a passive income stream by leveraging your online platform and audience. Build an online business. Building an online business allows you to create passive income streams through various monetization methods. Consider e-commerce, dropshipping, membership sites, or software as a service models. Develop a business that can run on automation and generate revenue even when you're not actively involved. Royalties from intellectual property. If you have creative talents, you can earn passive income through royalties from your intellectual property. This can include royalties from books, music, artwork, patents, or trademarks. Protect your intellectual property and explore licensing or publishing deals to earn ongoing passive income. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit. While not as lucrative as other options, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit can provide a low-risk way to earn passive income. Research banks offering competitive interest rates and consider locking your funds in longer-term CDs to earn higher returns. Real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own and manage income-generating properties. By investing in REITs, you can earn passive income from real estate without the need to directly own or manage properties. REITs are publicly traded and provide an opportunity to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate assets. Passive income offers a pathway to financial independence and wealth building. By exploring strategies such as rental properties, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, creating digital products, affiliate marketing, building an online business, royalties, high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and REITs, you can diversify your income streams and generate passive income. Remember, passive income requires initial effort, research, and sometimes financial investment, but it can provide long-term financial security and the freedom to pursue your passions and dreams. Start taking action today, and over time, you can build multiple streams of passive income that contribute to your wealth and financial well-being. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.